Voila.
Oh yeah, man. What's up, YouTube? Tiz Tech checking in once again. I know y'all seen the tire in the beginning. So yeah, man, I've been riding around. That happened yesterday. Basically, just something got into the tire, and now it's going flat. Something in there. I don't know if it's a nail or what, but we finna take it off and see, man. Finna plug it up. Was gonna patch it, but I went to Harbor Freight, and they ain't have what I needed, so I probably have to just order that and do that another time. But for now, I'm just gonna plug it, then we'll probably patch it later. So let's get ready to take it off. This little thing right here, that's what it is. I'm trying to plug this thing up. Cement on it. That's all, folks. That's what we're gonna do for now, man. Till we unmount that thing, you know, and go and patch it. Going the right way, patch it, cause man, look at it. The tire ain't too bad. That's why I'm not going to get a new tire. Puncture wound is in the center of the tire. Man, I'm not going to buy a new tire, no need one. Good to go, player. Alright. All we gotta do is air it up some more and put it back on. That's a done deal, guys. Let it down, see what it look like. Add up some more. Man, just letting that thing out right now. It's fixed. That there is the Blue Blazer. Yeah, I've seen it before when I first got it. I know you ain't seen it in a while. Maybe it was dirty, but yeah, I'm finna start seeing it a lot more, cause I show that thing some attention. We're gonna make a playlist on that thing and we start doing some work to it and mods. Call that thing Blue Blizzard. That's what it's gonna be called, man. The Blue Blizzard. So I wanna see some more stuff on the Blue Blizzard. I know y'all gonna see a fuel pump. A lot of stuff, man. It's just, I ain't did nothing to that truck really since I got it, man. I mean, it's good truck, good running truck. One thing I really had a problem with is the tires. Run over screws and stuff. Screws are all in the tire. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, man. I know this video probably gonna be short, real short, but we're gonna bring it back to you, man. Next time, we'll see you again. Be another video, maybe. Might be on the Blue Blizzard. Might be on another vehicle custom or something. I don't know, but we definitely be back, man. Keep these videos coming. Tez the Tech, man. Just make sure y'all subscribe, comment, like, man. Just help me out, man. That's all. Tez the Tech out, man.